Hello, 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 and welcome again. I sure hope that your day is going well, or your evening, or your afternoon, whatever it is. Make it the best it can be. Well, today I wrote down something that a few people have said that I don't believe I can sing, or I don't believe I'm good enough. Or should I really try to sing? I love singing, but I don't feel I'm good enough. So what I want to tell you is to stop as soon as you start saying that to yourself, you want to stop saying it. You don't want to keep on saying something like that. What you want to do though is investigate and see. Maybe you're going to be good enough. Maybe you aren't the best that you can be now. You're just at the beginning of your journey. But how do you expect to be really great or good if you're at the beginning? You need to start the journey. And I wrote down here that losing is when you don't try. So you're starting out with the attitude that, I don't believe. Okay, start working on it. And winning is when you participate, when you love, when you allow yourself to take some lessons, allow yourself to work on being better, on being someone who could really be good. I'm not good enough. Well, it takes time. Your singing isn't going to come right away. It's going to develop. So when you say, oh, I'm not good enough, or I don't believe I can sing, then you're halting and you're putting a barrier there that you need to remove. I can get better. I love singing. I'm just going to enjoy it. How about that? How about, I'm going to get better because I'm going to work at it. Anything you want that is worthwhile, you've heard this before, it takes time. It takes time to develop. If you're having a hard time and you have something in songs that really, really keeps bothering you, keeps being a sore spot in your singing, you're going to be able to get through with it. You're going to be able to fix that if you zero in on it and you have the proper tools, of course, but it will be able to be overtaken and worked on. Maybe you've got to change the key and bring it down a little bit. You're trying to hit notes and you haven't been singing for a while, or your voice is changing and you need to bring the key down. And all of a sudden, the key works. All of a sudden, you are comfortable in the song. It doesn't come easy. Nothing that is worthwhile comes easy. I'm saying it again. So instead of saying those things, you want to stop saying them and you want to work with the situation. You want to check now and see, I put the label, you don't want that label, but you do want to work it. You want to recognize what you have to do. You want to understand what is going to work for me? What's going to help me get past this situation of I'm not good enough? Maybe you do need to work on it. Maybe you will get better and better as you work on it. Maybe, I don't believe I can sing is not the situation. It's that you can sing. But you've got expectations of going from here way over to here. And instead of doing that, you need to know that it is a progressive thing. It just doesn't happen overnight. We're instant gratification people now. We think that we can get it together. And why aren't I good enough now? Well, you're going to be if you keep working on it, if you keep addressing the muscles, if you keep practicing when you don't want to practice, you're going to be a lot better. And those problems in the songs, you're going to be able to solve. Go over the other videos that I did that give you exercises. I have them on every different thing, every different area of the voice. And if you start utilizing them, you're building your muscles. You're strengthening them. You're getting stronger. And then work on how you're doing your songs, how you emphasize them, how you perform them. I'm going to do videos on performance soon, but right now work on the muscles. Get them strong. Believe that you can. You love singing. You enjoy it. Now your expectations. Are you looking to be a star? Are you looking to sing the best? The biggest thing is enjoying your singing and being the best you can be. Aim for that first. Other things will come. The situations will start coming to you because you love what you're doing what you love, you're working on it, you're making it really, really good, the best you can be. And then see what comes, okay? So be kind to yourself. Do the work that you have to do. Drop the negative. Work on the positive. Make it a positive statement. I'm going to be really good as I work at it. Because maybe I'm not as great as I want to be, okay? You're going to be better. And I don't believe, I don't believe I can sing. No. You can sing. 90-some% of people can sing. But what are your goals in singing? Are they to sing with your friends? Is it to do shows? Is it to be on the road? Well, the higher the goal, the more you got to work. But remember, it is work, but you're going to be happy doing it because you're really working it and you're going to see the results, okay? So what is it? Tell me one of the things that I mentioned that, golly, that's exactly how I feel. I feel like I'm not getting to where I want to be as quick as I want to get it. Or I really don't believe that I'm good enough. I'll never be good enough. No, okay? Whatever the comments are, leave it down there and change it. Tell me what you're going to do for yourself, how you're going to change things, how determined you're going to be the best you can be. That's it. It's just being the best you can be, okay? I hope this helped you. Remember, what you're thinking here comes out in your voice. So be kind to yourself. Work hard. You'd be surprised at how much you're going to improve. I'm looking forward to you improving, okay? Alrighty, I'm gonna do my thing. Woohoo! Ring the bell and subscribe. And such a day, such a mighty fine day, yeah. Woo! We see ya. Bye.